Hello guys, welcome to How to Login. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to enable theater mode in YouTube. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. Many people might have this same question: what is the use of theater mode in YouTube? Theater mode is useful because it improves the viewing experience of YouTube live streams and premieres with an enhanced theater mode, including features like moving chat to the left side or on top of the video. So, to enable theater mode in YouTube, all you need to do is go to your web browser and type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now play the video you want to view in theater mode. As you can see, there are 3 square-shaped buttons, out of which you need to click on middle one. Now the video is playing in theater mode. Now you can watch a YouTube video in theater mode anytime you like. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.